Did you realize that when you're creating content using Canvas Magic Write that you can apply your brand voice? Makes it easier for you when you're creating content because straight away the style is right. I'm going to show you how easy this is to do also. So I have my brand selected over here on the left hand side. You can see the brand that I'm using. So I've got a brand voice created here. Just to give an idea of what you can actually pop into this field on your brand kit. And I'm going to ask Magic Write to generate this content in this brand voice. So I'm going to ask it to help me with a presentation on marketing for small business. And hit generate. Now it's going to start with the content for me here, an outline. At any point I can stop if I'm not happy with it. But if I am, I can insert. And that's all happened in real time. So in less than a minute, it's good to go. And it's written in my brand voice as well if I want to do a comparison. If I have multiple brands created, maybe I've got a few different clients that I'm working with, I decide I maybe want to change it, I can just switch brand kit and switch the brand voice then as well, and it'll do that for me. If you would like support with Canva or maybe need some training, either one-to-one or as part of a group, get in touch. I'm Debbie, and you can schedule a call at themarketingshop.ie.